friend, the magical transformation of 2 minutes. And my friend said, "Oh, Kitty, are you going to talk about plastic surgery?" No, sorry. And not plastic surgery. Then how about, are you going to talk about cosmetics? Well, ladies and gentlemen, actually, I just want to make things clear. I'm not James' fan. For those of you who would like to attend a workshop by James, actually it has been videotaped, so no worries, you can always get the clippings. Formal introduction, Kitty Wong from Hong Kong and member of Dynamic Toastmasters. It's my honor and pleasure to be able to share with you some of the tips in harnessing the skills of the 2-minute transformation. I would like to ask you, how many of you here are Toastmasters for less than 2 years? Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Well, I'm sure that they are the future of the Toastmastering community. And I hope that after after this workshop, you will be transformed. Well, you know what transformation means. It means getting old. No? More experienced. I remember the first time when I took part in a Toastmasters meeting. The table topic master invited me as a guest to answer the following question. Oh, if you are given the opportunity to marry one of the following guys, which one would you like to choose? I remember the 3 options, okay? One is, well, obviously, Andy Lau. I'm sure many of us here know who Andy Lau is. For the foreigners, he is a very famous actor. And the other one is Li Ka-shing. And then the third one is Richard Lee. And you know what my answer was? I'm sure everyone here, we also have gone through that phobia, answering table topics. Remember, what was your first table topics? What was the feeling like? Scary, right? Wow, but stomach full of butterflies. My answer to that is, I remember when I was a kid, my mother used to teach me like this. If I ever get married, there are many rules I need to follow. 3 types of rules. Rule number 1, the richer the better. And rule number 2, the older the better. And rule number 3, the sicker the better. In that case, I can get everything. So ladies and gentlemen, today, we're going to appreciate the significance of 2 minutes transformation. You might say, Kitty, why not 3 minutes? 3 minutes you can make instant noodles, right? But for 2 minutes, it will be a life-transforming process. Several years ago, while I was working in the office, 9 a.m. Oh, by the way, have I told you what I'm doing in Hong Kong? No. Do I look like a teacher? No. No, I'm not a teacher. And actually, I'm working in the tax department. A small potato, okay? So early in the morning, 9 o'clock, my boss, the assistant commissioner of the Inland Revenue Department, called me. Are you Kitty? Oh, yes, I am. Come to my office immediately. He sounds blind. Oh no, he doesn't sound blind. He sounds angry. So, immediately I sat in front of him. Obviously, he was asking me some normal questions. And then suddenly, he asked me, Kitty, why you have not fulfilled the target? Now, for your information, civil service in Hong Kong, we still need to fulfill targets. So you might see, had I not been a Toastmaster, I would have died at that very spot, in front of the big boss, not the big potato, okay? So you can see that life transformation 2 minutes, it is very relevant in our daily communication. Whether it's handling questions from your boss, questions from your subordinates, and also from your loved ones, right? Remember the most difficult question for guys, for husbands. Honey, which one should I pick? The blue one, or the green one, or the red one? So you see, it's really very difficult. And today I would like to divide the workshop into two parts. You are going to take part in it. I will invite some of you to come on stage. And then we're going to identify some of the basic techniques in answering table topics. First of all, anyone would like to share with me what is a good table topic answer? I'm sure the champion this morning could be able to answer it. Yes, this gentleman? Would you like to share with us? Yes, yell, yes. What is? Oh yes, can anybody give him a mic or anything? Do we have the instrument? Yes, what is a good table topic answer? Anyone? Oh yes, champion Victor. Wow, are you Victor? Oh, Victor, sorry. Oh, please come on stage. Please come on stage. Yes, give our champion a big round of applause. Thank you for changing color, right? Your life is just like changing color. So, I would like to ask you, what do you think is? You're putting the wrong hand. Oh, really? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm thinking... I'm very rude in terms of that. Okay, gentlemen, stand here. Answer me. What do you think are the components of a good table topic answer?
This is the reason why I'm standing here to wait for the answer. Can I invite...
Okay, stage time out. All right. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, Vicky. Give him a big hand. Thank you, Jennifer. I'm sure the entertainment we have already solicited from Mikey. He has already demonstrated to us what good table topic answer is. But the point is how to formulate a good table topic answer. Convincing? Well, Kitty, I'm not that convincing. Well, I'm afraid, I have a table topics phobia. And when you're talking about coherent, what do we mean by coherent? It means 1 point from the beginning to the end, okay? Actually, I would like to give you a practice. First thing. Okay, feelings. I would like you to find a partner. Okay, find a partner. Probably a girl, okay? Probably a guy. You are going to share with your partner in 1 minute your life story. And your partner, you also have to demonstrate your listening skills because I'm going to invite some of you on stage to share. Okay? So, find your partner first. So you have A and B. I give you 1 minute. Share with your partner your life story in 1 minute. Can you do that? Timer? Okay? Yes. Who doesn't have a partner? It seems that everybody